What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So initially this video and the next video you're going to see were supposed to be uploaded on September 11th and the week following September 11th. However, unfortunately I got into a car accident on September 10th. So I've been out of commission for roughly a month before I was able to do things again, because I had to undergo knee surgery because of fractured patella from the impact of the incident. Thankfully I'm okay, and Hafiz is okay. But yeah, that's where I've been for the past month and a half ish. For everyone who's been asking, it's a really sucky situation. Long story short, I got screwed over by a cop merging back onto the highway, and because of the move over law, it's not his fault, but we move. Also, unfortunately, the pilot is now gone. It's been totaled, so pain. But yeah, it is what it is. Thankfully, up and about now, feeling better. Been resuming all the previous projects that you guys have yet to see. So I'm going to include pictures of the pilot and the accident, but I'm not going to include any of the graphic ones. But yeah, that's the current status update for the past month-ish. I'm gonna hand it back over to previous me, who's going to explain what we're doing in today's video. So yeah, stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see in the corner there, we have the Jack E90 right behind me. And today's video is going to be about those over there, which are GODSPEED lowering springs that I got from my E90. And I'm happy to say that we are officially lowering the car today. I got those for a really good deal because those are brand new. However, the previous owner never got to install them on the car because he ended up selling it, I believe, or something like that. So yeah, really stoked that I got those for under retail. I believe the reviews on these are good, but I personally don't care because we're lowering the car. And if you guys haven't realized already, or if I haven't mentioned it clearly in the past few videos, I'm essentially doing the budget-friendly version of my initial plan for the car, because I was initially going to go all out with what I'm doing with it, but we got some roadblocks along the way, so I'm still fulfilling that dream, that goal. However, I'm just doing a more budget-friendly version of it. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just gonna put you guys on time lapse, take you along the journey of taking off the springs, putting the new ones on, and showing you guys how it looks once the end result is finished. So yeah. Okay guys, so I got the wheel off, destroyed those 4 lug nuts. They're not usable, but after I finish this whole project, I'm just going to finger tighten them, maybe slightly tighten them with the ratchet, just in case I need to take the car out of the driveway and whatnot. But anyways, here is the OEM spring, and and here is the replacement. So it's a significant amount of difference. So once this is in the car, it's gonna be pretty low, so really excited about that. Yeah, so now that I got that done, I'm just gonna put this in the car and then do the right rear side and then go on to the fronts. The reason I'm doing the rears first is because they're a lot easier, and I didn't need a spring compressor, which I currently do not have, so I will be either loaning one or buying my own set. But yeah, that's the status update. It's really easy. Thankfully I have all these tools now, so yeah, I'm just gonna get back to it. Alright guys, so here's the current update on the car. I have removed the strut out of the driver's side. The passenger side is ready to come out, but I have to turn the wheel, and when I do that, if I don't have a second person, the spindle will just fall, and I really don't want to damage it. So I'm most likely just going to remove the spring off the old strut and then put the new one on, then reinstall the whole left assembly before taking off the right one, just to make things I guess safer and easier. But yeah, back to work for me. Just finished taking off the first spring, but look at the difference in that. Oh man, I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like. Alright, so as you guys just saw, I finally finished the front two springs, and I finally lowered the car, and it looks really good. I had to put them on wooden blocks so that the jacks would clear, because I don't have low profile jacks. But this is what the rear fitment looks like. It's not too shabby. It's a good mix between aggressive and OEM plus. But this front fitment, I don't even have the fender on yet, but I already know once the fender's here, it's gonna be super aggressive. But yeah, I'm really excited. Once the bolts come in, they should be coming in a few days. I'm going to be putting them on the car and then seeing if I can even clear the driveway. So fingers crossed, I'll catch you guys back when I get the bolts. All right guys, so the Mishimoto locking lugs just came in. They look really good. Let me just set this up. Yeah, as you can see, 4 locking lugs, 1 for each wheel, and then a set of normal ones. So yeah, really excited. I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse and then put these on.
Stop. You're not gonna clear, bro. Actually, you're gonna hit your jack pad. Yeah. Oh my God, you're clearing. You cleared literally by like a millimeter. All right, now we have to make sure the rear is good. Keep going slow.
I think we just check out the things now, right?
No, we gotta wait for the rear.
Oh, okay, cool.
Will yourself be actually get through?
Keep going, you're good. You're Gucci. Keep going, you're good.
No way!
Dude, this guy hasn't left us garage in like a year, bro.
Really? No way.
It's literally been ages.
Well, so as you guys can see, E90 is officially lowered. We got it out the driveway. Thankfully it cleared because of the planks that I made, because initially it didn't clear, so I was kind of scared. But I started this project knowing that if it were not to clear the garage, or like if I wasn't able to enter the garage, I'd rather start it in the garage. So I figured out that situation later, but that situation's been figured out. Yeah, it looks really nice. I'm happy with how it looks. Please help your boy out and subscribe to the channel, because don't have a daily, need to save up and find another one. It might be another Pilot, because I was really enjoying the whole overland build theme that I was going for. So yeah, I really like the Pilot too, so I'm probably gonna find another one. But yeah, that's today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. Stay tuned for next week's and the following week's uploads. They're gonna be really good, trust me on that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.